Imagine walking into crowded room where all eyes train to you not because of your words, but because of your commanding presence. Your style alone tells a story of power, authority, and confidence. That is the secret of mafia style. It's not just closing, it's a stamina. I'm here to take charge. In this video, we'll dive into the world of men's mafia style, exploring the timeless details that blend elegance with mystery. Segment 1. The beginning of mafia style elegance built on power. Let's start at the beginning. During the 1920s and 1930s, men were at the height of their power. This arc known the golden age of men's fashion. So mafia members use the clothing to send a clear message of dominance and respect. They favored closely tailored classic suits of three-piece ensembles. The three-piece suit a jacket, a waistcoat, and trousers are made from luxurious fabrics like whale cashmere. Dark colors like charcoal gray and navy blue convince thrice and mystery. The classic hat. The fedora hat was essential, worn at sly angle to reflect personality and confidence. Segment 2. The power of details. Through elegance lies in the small things. Elegance isn't just about the big pieces like suits. It's in little details that make all the difference. Mafia men paid attention to every element from head to toe. 1. Watches. Brands like Rolex and Omega weren't just timepieces that were symbols of confidence and precision. 2. Coffins. Out of gold or silver, often the unique design, showcasing refined taste. 3. Italian leather shoes, usually black or brown, handcrafted and polished perfection. These shoes were signatures of their style. 4. Ties and pocket square, carefully selected. This in dark twinned or steel patterns. Respect squares for a touch of sophistication. Even the cigar they carried were part of their appearance, symbolizing luxury and power. Segment 3. Bold colors and patterns as statement of confidence, with dark twins dominated the style. Some mafia men weren't afraid to push boundaries and break the rules, while suits a symbol of boldness and confidence when reserved for special occasions. Thick shirts, colors like deep red, royal blue, or even sept patterns add a unique flair to their look. In stripes, then vertical stripes on suits weren't just details. They were markers of an individuality and distinction. Segment 4. The influence of mafia style on modern fashion. Mafia style wasn't just a passing trend, it became a timeless icon of elegance. Today we see its influence in many modern fashion trends, inspired by iconic movies and series like The Godfather and Peaky Blinders. Contemporary design across the elegance of the beast, tailored slim-fit suits, highlighting the paddings. Features in a modern way, long cuts, offering a balance of mystery and practicality. Leather accessories, gloves and belts that add a touch of power to the often rude look. Segment 5. How to impress mafia style in your daily life. If you want to adapt distinctive style and incorporate it into your daily wardrobe, here are some tips to make you look like mafia man. 1. Start with the suit. Choose a tailored suit that fits your body perfectly. Fabrics like wool or cashmere provide a luxury feel. 2. High-end accessories. A classic watch, metal, cufflinks, and that matches your suit's tone. 3. Black or cotton shirts. Dark colors or subtle patterns add a touch of boldness. 4. And the final touches. A classic had a pocket square that showcases your personality and most importantly exceed confidence with every step you take. The elegance isn't just in the clothes, it's in how you be yourself. Mafia men weren't just figures in mystery or movies. They were icon of elegance and power. Their style reflects a complete philosophy war. Clothing becomes a tool to express characters and demeanors. You want to live a strong and stylish impression. Draws inspiration from this timeless style and don't be afraid to be bold in your choices because true elegance isn't just a choice, isn't a way of life.